Dear customers, this is another video guide where I will tell you about a dangerous pop-up that attacks computers and specifically browsers like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, and the pop-up intends to make you download and install unwanted browser extension. The pop-up comes with a pretty faulty message saying that Flash SD app required to proceed. Flash SD app required to proceed. It says click download, then simply add to Chrome to complete the final step. Of course, there is no need for you to perform all such installations, and this pop-up is totally faulty and deceptive. You should not trust any of its scary statements, and even if this pop-up came in your screen, you still can simply ignore it and close the pop-up window. But when people actually agree and install this sort of extension, this is what they see in their browser. They see Smash App extension that configures your default search to Smash Apps, also known as smashapps.net. So this is a nasty hijacker that you should definitely get rid of. I will explain how to remove this hijacker after it got installed. So you first of all need to go to the browser menu, then click on More Tools and then Extensions. Now look for this Smash Apps extension, deactivate it and then remove it. Once this has been done, I also recommend that you additionally scan your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus that you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. So download the application, start it through your Launchpad, and this is the way the application looks like. I'm gonna start it. Initially it comes as a trial version. The trial version has got some free functions, such as Disk Cleaner, Big Files, or Duplicates Finder. But as far as its antivirus function is concerned, it's the part of the premium license only. But you may click on Start Combo Scan button and the program will begin the detailed research and investigation of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. As you see, the antivirus section reveals 19 threads found during the scanning, so you may go to this antivirus part and click on Review Results link. This will automatically reveal all threads found during the scanning, and you will be able to find the information about where exactly these threads are located. So afterwards, you may go to the Finder, locate each specific thread, open its location, and remove each thread one at a time. As we said, Combo Cleaner Trial works as a free scanner. It gives a detailed, full report about the location of threads, their quantity, and you may remove these threads manually by going to the specific thread location or automatically, however, with the premium license of the program only.